We provide a Care Manager application where you can see key information for every member you have with a QMedic service. The dashboard gives you access to when a member's authorization starts and ends, when QMedic service started or ended, what type of device they have, their help button usage history including false alarms, tests, and emergency help needed calls with notes. You can also request the emergency help call audio recordings we have for the member. All of the information in the dashboard can be exported in a report. You can also quickly request a QMedic fillable PDF referral form using the dashboard. If you would like access to the dashboard, please reach out to us at support@qmedichealth.com or reach out to your QMedic account representative. All of the members that you refer to us will show up on the dashboard automatically. If there are other members that you take over care management for, you can just let us know, and that is easy to update.